A very good morning, everybody. Good morning. It gives me, Manasi, immense delight in extending a hearty welcome to all of you, especially the esteemed dignitaries, invitees who are present in this historic International Convention Hall of BSE, along with all those who have joined us virtually in these new normal circumstances. For this extremely special event, listing of 197 Communications Limited that owns and operates the brand Paytm. देवी और सज्जनों, बीएसई के इस ऐतिहासिक सभागार में उपस्थित सभी का, साथ ही जो हमसे वर्चुअली जुड़े हुए हैं, उन सभी का मैं मानसी तहे दिल से स्वागत करती हूँ. Ladies and gentlemen, as the world is opening up and as we are inching back to normalcy, slowly, steadily, but for surely, this listing ceremony is happening physically. Of course, strictly adhering to all the protocol directives and guidelines that have been issued by the authorities. As there is restriction to the number of people gathering, many have joined us virtually. We will now welcome the esteemed dignitaries with bouquets of flowers, beginning with Shri Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder and CEO, Paytm. Shri Kamal Yadav, MD, Co-Head, India Investment Banking, Morgan Stanley. Shri Sudarshan Ramakrishnan, MD, Head, India, TMT, Goldman Sachs. Shri Salil Pitare, MD and Co-CEO, Axis Capital Limited. And our host, MD and CEO, BSE, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. A special welcome from Shri Vijay ji himself. और अब भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार दीप प्रज्वलित कर इस समारोह का उद्घाटन होगा. In keeping with the Indian tradition, the function will be inaugurated by lighting the auspicious ceremonial lamp. And to do the honors, I request the company, Shri Vijay Shekhar Sharma ji, Shri Madhur Devraj ji, along with the board members, and of course, Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE. Deepena lokana jayati, deepastejo mayaha smritaha, chaturvarga pradodipan, tasmad deep yajet priye. This couplet in Sanskrit translates, the lamp is luminous, its radiance grants victory, its light imparts dharma, artha, kama, and moksha, that is, righteousness, prosperity, pleasure, and finally, emancipation. This is the significance of lighting a lamp. And hence, a lamp should be lit. Lamp, as we know, is also a symbol of knowledge. Knowledge which helps us in the path of progress and development. Dipyate Deepayati Swayam Param Cheti. The one which lights by itself and also spreads light all over is the lamp. Can we have a nice group picture here? यादगार पल हम सभी के लिए कैप्चर करेंगे फोटोग्राफ्स के रूप में. Moments to be treasured in the form of photos. Thank you, everyone. The lamp being lit, the function being inaugurated, I request all you dignitaries to please take your seats while I call upon Shri Kamal Yadav, MD, Co-Head, India Investment Banking, Morgan Stanley, for the opening address.
A very good morning, everyone. It's a delight to be here. Paytm, from its early days, has been a pathbreaker, and the company's debut into capital markets was no different. The largest ever IPO in India, the largest fintech IPO in Asia, and the fourth largest fintech IPO globally. The company continues to set new... The company continues to set new milestones and benchmarks. It's a proud moment for Vijay, Paytm's management team, the shareholders. A big, big congratulations to all of you. It is also a proud moment for legions of entrepreneurs in this country who are looking to build big domestic national champions to solve the problems of Indians like Paytm. And Vijay and his team are a true inspiration for all of them. I can't help remembering the first time I met Vijay, 13 years back probably, Hotel Meridian in Delhi. We were definitely both younger. Vijay was slimmer. I had more hair. But the one thing which has not changed is Vijay's infectious energy, enthusiasm, his passion, grit, determination to solve problems for India, and his resilience to convert challenges into opportunities. And that is what true entrepreneurship is all about. You have built, Vijay, with the team, a true national champion, which is impacting the lives of hundreds of millions of Indians. And Paytm Karo is a lexicon which is in our everyday verb today. I would also like to thank the regulators, SEBI, stock exchanges, for their immense support throughout the process. And it's thanks to all of that we are here today. As Morgan Stanley, and I'm sure I speak on behalf of all the banks, we are so very proud to have partnered Paytm for the historic IPO. And I would say it feels very warm inside to say, इस Paytm की इमारत में एक ईंट हमने भी लगाई है. As you knock on the door of our historic listing, we wish you the very best today, for quarters and decades to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Yadav, for the initial cordial remarks. And now, I invite Shri Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder and CEO, Paytm, to address this august gathering on this highly joyous and equally significant occasion. Mr. Sharma.
जब भी कभी राष्ट्रगान आता है और एक लाइन आती है भारत भाग्य विधाता, और मेरी आंखों में से आंसू आ जाते हैं. अभी मेरे साथ वो हो गया क्योंकि आपने राष्ट्रगान गा दिया. और ये जो वर्ड है भारत भाग्य विधाता, आई थिंक ये मेरी लाइफ का, मुझे नहीं पता क्यों, बट it just overwhelms me, man. It just overwhelms me. Just saying these words gets tears in my eyes. For my shareholders and board members who do not know what it means, it says that the one who will define the fortune of this country. And I cannot say it with enough words and conviction today that everyone at Paytm has actually done that. Has actually done that. Today is the day that many of us never expected to happen. Many of us never believed that we could have reached here. Today is the day when a commoner surname seems like an outlier in this country. What a feeling, what a feeling, what a feeling. Today is the day when dreams of young India come along with me to say thank you to everyone in the room, thank you to everyone who believed in us, who supported us, who took us along in their life and journey. Today is the day when I believe India raises up to another milestone when not just a government of India enterprise or a large corporate conglomerate enterprise can proudly say that we could list, we could bring it to a stock exchange, and we could build probably one of the largest IPO in the country. Today is the day when that happens, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the day then that happens. I can't say it with enough conviction and words that I believe that today's India is meant for stories like this and many more stories like this to come up. I believe that Paytm's story inspires and hopefully will inspire tens of and hundreds of millions of entrepreneurs this country will produce in years to come, that yes, they can do it. They can do it even when they come from backgrounds that were not meant to be making you reach here. They can reach here. Actually, today is the day. I cannot put enough emphasis on the best team that we would have put together, who would have never stopped on any trouble, milestone, or a hurdle that we would have seen, but would have pursued it relentlessly to the purpose that we've set out for. I thank my shareholders, I thank my board members, and I thank my co-founder, actually, ladies and gentlemen. I've not said it more often, and I really cannot put it in better in words. My fellow entrepreneur, Ravi Adusomali, whom I call fondly my co-founder. Paytm wouldn't have been here at all. Forget about here as a milestone. I'm saying Paytm wouldn't have been here if it was not for him to tell me, go Vijay, do it. If you really believe in it, go big or go home. Actually, these are his words, not mine. Ravi, you've not been an investor, you've been a brother, you've been a mentor, you've been a guide, you've been a fellow board member, you've been a partner, and I wish that my life, and I wish in everybody's life, they get partners and friends like that. People tell me, how do you raise money at so many high prices, guys? And I just tell them that I never raise money on a price. I raise money on a purpose. I raise money on telling my investors and shareholders that, look, if you believe that India will be economy of future, if you believe India will be that economy that we dream of, trillions and trillions of dollars, if you believe that India will be economy coming after the Western economies in Asia, then you have to believe in Paytm. The purpose is so pious that every door opens, every road gives away. There is not a day that I would have not felt more confident and more assured of our purpose and vision that we will be able to bring 500 million Indians to the mainstream of economy, guys. I cannot say it in enough more and more conviction today. Today we welcome millions more to join that mission, million more shareholders to join that purpose, million more to belong to that journey. Today is a day when we will get millions to welcome to Paytm family, and thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for being part of the journey. Thank you so much to the bankers, thank you so much to the regulators, thank you so much to the auditors, and thank you so much everyone for being here, and thank you so much for being part of the Paytm journey. Paytm karo.
सचमुच भावुक क्षण है. And thank you, Vijay ji, for putting Paytm's glorious journey in a nutshell for all of us, right from its establishment to accomplishments along with major milestones and all the aspirations for the future as well. I now invite Shri Madhur Devra, President and Group CFO, Paytm, to address this audience and all those who have joined us virtually.
Thank you. I have the worst slot in this schedule. To go after Vijay is never a good idea. I'll keep it brief. This is a historic moment. It's a historic moment for us. It's a historic moment for India. It's a historic moment for India's startup ecosystem. It's a historic moment for Indian capital markets. Many said it cannot be done. Many people told us along the way, forget it. Just go to the US market, incorporate in Singapore, do something like that. It will not happen. Yet here we are. Today, we have the bluest of blue chip investors from around the world who are going to become a part of our family. We also have 1 million retail shareholders who will join our family. And we just wanted to say that we want to thank them for their trust, and we want them to know that we understand the responsibility that we have. So going forward, you will hopefully see us behaving in that manner. I wanted to take a moment to thank our existing family. First of all, the tens of thousands of employees who have contributed to Paytm over the years. Paytm is a product of all your hard work, all your relentless pursuit and tenacity to build something that has never been built in this country before. I wanted to thank our shareholders. Ravi, we could not have wished for a better mentor, a better guide, a better partner. And for 13 years, you have been at it with Vijay and more recently with me. And it's just been a real honor to work with you. Eric, Doug, and the Ant team, who saw a small startup and believed that this will become the largest digital payments and financial services company in India. And hopefully we have done proud to your vision and your support. And of course, Masasan, Rajiv, Munish, who backed a company right after demonetization, which was trying to go to big places and supported us, not just with capital, but your global network. We're really appreciative of that. I wanted to thank our customers and merchants who have made us a part of their lives, who have trusted us and allowed us to serve them, and also been very demanding, challenged us to become more innovative, more efficient, and build more things for them. So I wanted to thank our customers and merchants. Also wanted to thank all our regulators who basically allow us to do what we do. They trust us to do banking, they trust us to do insurance, they trust us to do wealth management. Of course, they trust us to run a payment system, so I wanted to thank our regulators. And once again, I wanted to welcome 1 million new shareholders to our family. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Madhurji, for all the good words. And now I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE, for his address.
Shri Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder and CEO Paytm, Shri Madhur Devra, President and Group CFO, Shri Kamal Yadav, MD Morgan Stanley, Shri Sudarshan Ramkrishnan, MD Head India, TMT Goldman Sachs, Shri Salil Pitle, BRLM Axis Capital. A very good morning to everyone present at the BSE International Convention Center as we celebrate the equity listings of 197 Communications, popularly known as Paytm, a name synonymous with digital payments and financial services in India. A very warm welcome to all of you to BSE, India's leading and most diverse exchange that provides a trusted and transparent platform for transacting a wide bouquet of financial products, including equities, debt, currencies, commodities, interest rates, mutual funds, insurance, agriculture, and many more. The BSE has played a prominent role in developing the Indian capital markets by being Asia's first exchange, India's first universal exchange, and the fastest stock exchange in the world with a speed of 6 microseconds. BSE puts forward a strong and robust platform for its over 8.6 crore investors to trade in a highly secure and reliable environment that offers enhanced liquidity, diversity of participants, innovative technology, and trustworthy clearing services. Listing on the exchange helps company to move forward, open new avenues and opportunities for growth, as seen from over 4,700 companies listed on BSE, making it the world's largest platform in terms of listed companies. The BSE platform is designed to not only provide liquidity, but also bring efficiency and transparency in the price discovery mechanism for newly listed companies. We are confident that by listing on BSE, 197 Communication will not only be able to further enhance its visibility and profile, but also broaden its investor base, which we hope will support its business expansion plans. The IPO is the biggest in India's corporate history, breaking a record held by Coal India, which raised 15,000 crore more than a decade earlier. It is also the largest Asia-Pacific fintech IPO ever, and it's also the fourth largest fintech IPO ever globally, and the second largest fintech IPO in 2021. The IPO book built public issue consisted of 8,51,16,278 shares with the face value of rupees 1 each of 197 Communication at a price of rupees 2,150 per share, aggregating to rupees 18,300 crores. The issue was subscribed 1.95 times overall, with 1.27 times in the retail category and 0.22 times in the NRI category, 2.15 times in QIB category, making it an extremely successful IPO. I congratulate the management of 197 Communication, merchant bankers, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, Axis Capital, ICICI Securities, JP Morgan, Citigroup Global Markets, HDFC Bank, and everyone else associated with this issue for a successful listing. BSE looks forward to continue to be 197 Communications' preferred fundraising partner as it expands its reach and grows in scale. Thank you very much for coming today.
Thank you, Ashish sir, for elaborating upon the highlights of BSE as well as the IPO. And now, may I request Shri Sudarshan Ramakrishnan, MD, Head India TMT, Goldman Sachs, to please say a few words.
Okay, hi everyone. I promise I'll keep this will be the shortest speech. You know, back in 2014, I had an opportunity to have a closing dinner, a celebratory dinner when Ant invested in Paytm. And I remember putting my hand around Vijay at that point in time and saying, look, it's a big occasion, but this is the start of the journey. And there's a long journey ahead. And I remember at that point in time, Vijay turned to me and said, I want to build this into a $100 billion company. Well, we are already 20% there, Vijay. So, and I'm sure the $100 billion milestone has changed. Had a good opportunity. Madhur was at that dinner. Ravi was at that dinner as well. I just want everyone to remember that this is an important, point in the journey. But knowing this company and knowing the founder and the management team, they're genuine, business builders. and there's a lot of value creation to come. Vijay, we want this to be a $1 trillion market cap company at some point in time as well. So let's all keep that perspective in mind. This is, the journey is beautiful. This is a, point in the journey, but there's a lot to come. And all the best for the future. And, there's a lot of us who are true supporters of this business, really believe in the, the institution that has come together, both in terms of the team, as well as the shareholders, as well as the board members. And there's a lot to look forward to. So thank you and enjoy today.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your thoughts with us this morning. Time now for memento presentation. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD and CEO, BSE, will present mementos as congratulatory gesture to Shri Vijay Shekhar Sharma, founder and CEO, Paytm, and Shri Madhur Devra, President and Group CFO, Paytm. Could I request Vijay ji and Madhur ji to please step up on stage? Ashish sir is already here. So this, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, is a replica of the big gong that is placed on the stage, and this will be struck exactly at 10 o'clock. Could I request Madhur ji to please accept the memento from Ashish sir? I think he is not here. I cannot see him. Never mind. We will now present mementos to the BRLMs for their valuable contribution, beginning with Shri Kamal Yadav from Morgan Stanley. Aiye, Kamal ji. So this, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, is a mini replica of the big bull that is at the entrance gate of BSE. I invite Sudarshan Ramakrishnan. All right, we also have Mr. Kailash with us, and they are from Goldman Sachs. Could I request Shri Salil Pitare from Axis Capital Limited? And now the company will be presenting a memento to Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, MD, CEO, BSE, in reciprocation. Vijay ji and Madhur ji will be presenting this memento to Ashish ji. I will request I also request Vijay ji to please present mementos to the BRLMs and all those who have supported in this issue, beginning with Kamal Yadav. Sir, aaiye. Shri Sudarshan Ramakrishnan. Aye, sir. Shri Sudarshan Ramakrishnan along with Shri Kailash ji from Goldman Sachs. And we have Shri Salil Pitare from Axis Capital. Can I invite Shri Abhinav Bharti from JP Morgan? Yes, sir. That's Abhinav Bharti from JP Morgan. I request Shri Vijay Chandok from ICICI to please step up on stage. That's Vijay Chandok from ICICI. And from Citibank, can I invite Shri Ravi Kapoor? Shri Ravi Kapoor from Citibank. And next, Shri Jayant Bharadwaj from Shardul Amarchand, counsel to the company. So that's Shri Jayant Bharadwaj from Shardul Amarchand, counsel to the company. Can I call Abhimanyu Bhattacharya from Khaitan and Company, counsel to the BRLMs. That's Shri Abhimanyu Bhattacharya from Khaitan and Company, counsel to the BRLMs. And next I request Shri Amitesh Datta from PricewaterhouseCoopers, the auditors. Mr. Amitesh Datta from PwC, the auditors. And Shri Yogendra Seth from EY, also the auditors. Shri Yogendra Seth from Ernst & Young, the auditors. Thank you, gentlemen. And now the vote of thanks will be proposed by Shri Salil Pitare, MD and co-CEO, Axis Capital Limited. A quick one, because we are running out of time. Salil, I'll request you for a quick VOT.
Yeah, we are running out of time. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's really a momentous occasion, not just for the company, but also for capital markets in general. An 18,000 crore IPO, first time ever in the history of the country. It's a proud moment for the capital markets, all intermediaries and everyone. It's important to acknowledge the regulators, SEBI, who've been extremely proactive and open-minded to allow new age businesses like Paytm and a lot of others. It's also an amazing feeling that this listing happens in this heritage institution of Bombay Stock Exchange of a new age company like Paytm. The journey for Paytm is just astounding. A company which started as a mobile VAS player years back to really become such an extraordinary player and part of the digital revolution in the country. Vijay and his entire team at Paytm just bring the passion and energy to have done this. And they mix that with an excellent understanding and ear to the ground, combined with a mindset of innovation, have ensured that Paytm has reached where it has. We'd like to congratulate Vijay, Madhur, and the entire team at Paytm for building this remarkable organization, which is always vibrant, cutting edge, innovative, and at the forefront of spotting opportunities and creating technological solutions, which has resulted in Paytm actually becoming a habit for a lot of us across India. And it is this very strong bond that Paytm has built with its customers wide and far, which has attracted some of the best global private equity institutions and now some of the global financial institutions on the capital market side, domestic institutions, and a whole multitude of retail players. We at Access Capital are extremely proud to have been part of this journey and contributed in a limited manner towards doing this. We have no doubt that Paytm's listing further opens up opportunities for a whole lot of technology players for access to money through the capital markets in India. Finally, a public listing is a set of responsibilities, and I think Paytm, I'm sure, will justify that over the years ahead. We wish you at Paytm all the very best in your listed journey. Thanks, Vijay.
Thank you. That was just in time. And जिस पल का हमें इंतजार था वो करीब आ रहा है. The momentous time for which we all are eagerly awaiting is fast approaching. The ringing of the gong, which will mark the official listing of Paytm. आगे के फोटोग्राफर्स प्लीज नीचे बैठ जाइएगा. पीछे से लाइव चल रहा है, लाइव टेलीकास्ट चल रहा है. आगे फोटोग्राफर्स प्लीज नीचे बैठ जाइएगा. Ladies and gentlemen, join me in cheering when the customary 10-second countdown begins. 10 को 10 सेकंड बाकी होंगे. आप सभी मेरे साथ काउंटडाउन की गिनती में शामिल हो जाइएगा. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heartiest congratulations to the management, investors, stakeholders of Paytm on the official listing. ढेर सारी बधाई और बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. फिर से एक बार तालियों की गूंज के साथ हम इस पल को सजाएंगे. Let us put our hands together one loud time to cheer for Paytm. It's truly an honor to be introduced and welcomed on this corporate ladder. So on that note, we conclude the function. Kindly proceed for tea, coffee, refreshments that have been arranged in the adjoining banquet hall. To my left, your right. Also, we have 2 selfie booths. Again, to my left, as you enter the banquet hall. Please help yourself to pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, have a lovely time ahead. Thank you for being a wonderful audience. This is Manasi taking your leave. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay well. देवी और सज्जनों, इसी के साथ आयोजन का समापन होता है. जलपान का प्रबंध बैंक्वेट हॉल में किया गया है. साथ ही 2 सेल्फी बूथ्स वहां पर रखे हैं. You can take pictures there. मैं मानसी आप सभी से विदा लेती हूँ। सुरक्षित रहे, स्वस्थ रहें।
पेटीएम पर 50 रुपए प्राप्त हुए।
Our team, we got to click these photos now that whatever the formal event has got done. So please come up here, everybody. So I'm first, whatever the sequencing is, please come here so that we can click a photo together. Okay?